This is the content for US EVA RFG Retrieve 2.5. EV1 in red stripes egresses first with a crew lock bag followed by EV2 in white stripes. EV1 translates to the external stowage platform 2 and stows the bag, while EV2 translates over the platform to the forward face. Both crew work to release several quarter-turn fasteners on the multi-layer insulation tent over the radio frequency group. EV1 moves underneath the platform to remove the covering. Then EV1 visually inspects the radio frequency group and relocates the tool bag. Meanwhile, EV2 takes a portable foot restraint and installs it onto the robotic arm. EV2 ingresses the foot restraint and the arm moves to the next worksite. The crew will work together to remove rubber applied to the bolts on the aft wedge clamps. Then, using a ratchet wrench and a specially designed wrench, they will release the tension in the 5 clamps keeping the radio frequency group onto the stanchion. EV2 will return to the forward face of the stowage platform, then release 4 structural bolts using the pistol grip tool. Next, EV2 will slide the radio frequency group from the mounting plate. Then the arm will fly EV2 over to the airlock. Meanwhile, EV1 will translate to the airlock. After opening the thermal cover, EV1 will retrieve the microorganisms caddy and stow it externally on a handrail. EV2 will reorient the radio frequency group, and the tube crew will stow it inside the airlock. Afterwards, EV1 will close the thermal cover. Both crew will return to the external stowage platform to secure the multi-layer insulation covering over the stanchion. EV1 will go back to the airlock as EV2 retrieves the tool bag. EV1 puts the microorganism handle and caddy on their mini workstation. Then EV1 translates under the US laboratory to the vacuum exhaust systems vent. The first sample will be in open space, and the second will be a swab of the vent surface. EV1 will then translate to the laboratory's carbon dioxide vent to sample that location. Next, EV1 will return to the airlock to swab samples at various locations around the airlock hatch. While EV1 performs the microorganism sampling, EV2 will go to the zenith or top side of the external stowage platform. EV2 will remove the multi-layer insulation covering a spare robotic arm joint. EV2 will release 3 of 6 fasteners using the pistol grip tool. Then EV2 will drive the joint's motor approximately 6 degrees. This prepares the joint if it's needed on a subsequent contingency EVA. After recovering the joint, EV2 takes the crew lock bag back to the airlock, where EV2 will replace some tethers in a bag. That completes the planned task for this EVA.
Subscribe for more space.